Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS Clerk Prelims Mock Test 14 paper explanation. So here in reasoning, first 5 questions are on a puzzle. 8 friends LM, NO, P, Q, R and S are sitting in a straight line. Some of them face north while some of them face south. So there are totally 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 persons. M6 third to the right of L, who sits on the extreme end of the row. M6 third to right of L. M6 third to right of L. I am taking L as facing north, one possibility. One is L facing north, the other is L facing south. If L is facing north, he will be here. If L is facing south, he will be here. Okay. And M is third to the right of L. So first right, second right, third right. So M would be here. Okay. This is the first thing. Only 2 persons sit between M and P. So it cannot be P as it is already fixed as L. So it has to be P then. Then S6 third to the right of N. S6 third to the right of N. Next, who 6 second to the left of R. Second to the left of R. P is facing the same direction as M but opposite to O, who 6 immediate right of Q. R is facing south and is not an immediate neighbor of M. R is not immediate neighbor of M. This is what is given. O6 to the left of S. O6 to the left of S. Q is facing opposite direction of M. So please see here what is given here. Only S6 third to right of N. S6 third to right of N. And who 6 second to left of R. Who 6 second to left of R. So N6 second to left of R. N6 second to left of R. R is not here. R is not here. N is second to left of R. N is second to left of R. It is not possible here. The only possibility is for R this one. R this one. So N is second to the left of R. N is second to the left of R means definitely R has to face south. If R is facing south, N will be here. N will be here. And only 2 persons sit between M and P. S6 third to the right of N. S6 third to the right of N. S6 third to the right of N means this side not possible. Third to right of N. First, second, third. So here you should have S. And O6 third to left of S. O6 third to left of S means this is the only possibility O, and the only person left is Q. Now it is given that P is facing the same direction as M but opposite to O, who 6 immediate right of Q. Immediate right of Q. So that means Q is facing south, and see here P is facing same direction as M but opposite to O. Opposite to O, who 6 immediate right of Q. R is facing south and is not the immediate neighbor of M. O6 third to left of S. Q is facing opposite direction to M. So M has to face north, and it is given that P is facing same direction as M but opposite to O. Now it is given what R is facing south and R is facing south. R is facing south. Now what is the direction of S? It is given that S6 third to the right of N. Third to the right of N. Who 6 second to the left of R. Who 6 second to the left of R. Satisfied? And P is facing, definitely N has to face south. N has to face south. and who's 6 second to the left of R? P is facing same direction as M but opposite to O, who's 6 immediate right of Q. R is facing south and is not, so everything is over. S6 third to the right of N. S6 third to the right of N. And who 6 second to left of R, second to left of R, which is already satisfied. Now everything is satisfied. Now it is given that some of them facing north, some of them facing south. M6 third to right of L. M6 third to right of L satisfied. Only two persons sit between M and P satisfied. S6 third to right of N satisfied. P is facing same direction as M satisfied. Opposite to O done. R is facing south and is not an immediate neighbor of M. O6 third to the left of S. O6 third to the left of S means we can say now S is facing north. Now see here question number 1. Who among the following 6 exactly between Q and P? Between Q and P, who is exactly there? It is S. So option C is correct. Next question. Who among the following is the third to left of Q? Third to left of Q, it is R. Next. 4 of the following are alike, which is different. LMSRP. LMSRP, which is different. Here, R is different. Because LMSR, SP are facing north, R is facing south. Next. How many people sit between L and R? Between L and R, you have OQMS. So the answer is 4. So the answer is 4. Next, 5th question. Who among the following 6 fourth to right of N? Fourth to right of N is, it is M. Option E. Next, question number 6 to 10. See, this is also a puzzle based on circular arrangement. So please see here some of 8 friends. So it's a 8-person circular arrangement. 8-person circular arrangement. Now, some of them facing center, some facing outside. Both F and C don't face each other. Both F and C don't face each other means if F is facing inside, C is facing outside. Okay. So both are facing, both don't face each other. If one is facing inside, the other is facing outside. Now H6 second to the right of A. H6 second to the right of A. Only 2 persons sit between H and F. F who 6 third to the left of G. C6 third to right of B. Both B and H face each other. Both B and H face each other. Okay. Next. D is not an immediate neighbor of H. E6 second to the left of C. F6 second to left of E, who is facing same direction as D. Now first one. H6 second to right of A. Different possibilities are there. H6 second to right of A. H6 second to right of A. A may face towards center or A may face outward center. So H6 second to right of A. If I am taking A here, second to right of A, H is here. Okay. Only 2 persons sits between H and F. H and F. So you may get F here or you may get F here. Anything can be F. 2 persons are there between H and F. Next. F who sits third to left of G. Okay. Here it is given that third to left of G. Third to left of G is F. For example, this is F. Then G has to face inside. G has to face inside because G is first left, second left, third left. If F is here, if is here, then who sits third to left of G? First left, second left, third left. So it is already fixed as H. So now this arrangement here you don't get F, you will get F here. Now what else we have? C6 third to right of B. C6 third to right of B. Both B and H face each other. So B and H face each other means one is facing inside, the other is facing outside. We don't know who, both are facing inside. Both are facing inside. B and H face each other means both are facing inside. D is not an immediate neighbor of H. So D cannot be here, D cannot be here. The option for D is this one. Now we have what? C6 third to right of B. C6 third to right of B means I will get C here. First right, second right, third right. C here. And the only person left is E. It is given that E6 second to left of C. Second to left of C means C has to face outside. F6 second to the left of E. F6 second to the left of E means E has to face outside. Now, who is facing same direction as D? D is also facing same direction means D is also facing outside. Now here, if you see, what about F? F6 second to the left of E, who is facing the same direction of D? And is there anything else we have here? Both F and C do not face each other. Do not face each other means F is also facing outside. Now how many are facing outside? D, F, A, E, C. Who are facing inside? B, H and G. Who among the following six immediate right of D? Who is the immediate right of D here? Immediate right of D is B. So option E is correct. Now question number 7. How many persons sits between B and E when counted in anti-clockwise direction with respect to E? So here the answer is only 2 persons. Only 2 persons between B and E. They are A and F. They are A and F. When counted anti-clockwise with respect to E. That's why it is A and F. A and F. Next. Who among the following 6 opposite to F? Opposite to F, C is there. So it is option B. The next question. If A is related to H, if A is related to H and A is related to H means A is related to its second right. Its second right. Next, A is related to H, D is related to C. D is related to C. Then G is related to G's second right is H. So answer is A. Ninth one, answer is what happened? A is related to D. A is related to D now. A is related to D. A is related to H. A is related to H. D is related to C. Then G is related to B ma. G is related to B. B is the answer. B is the answer. Next. Who among the following sit opposite to the one who sits second to the right of C? Second to the right of C is actually D. Opposite to D, who is there? E. E means it is option C. Option C. Next. Which of the following digit will be ninth to the right of 7th? So ninth to the right of 7 means 9 plus 7, which is 16th. Ninth to the right of the 7th from left hand. So it is 16 from left. 16 from left hand. 16 from left hand. What is the digit we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So answer is 5. Answer is 5. Now next one. How many zeros are there in the series which are immediately followed and preceded by a perfect square number? Perfect square number. So if you see here, this one, preceded and followed by a perfect square. And one more where we have Here you have this one. Zeros preceded and followed by a perfect square. There are only two such. Next, what will be the subtraction of 11th digit from right hand and 13th digit from left hand? So 11th digit from right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th digit is 2. 13th digit from left hand. 16th is 5. So 15, 14, 13 is 7. 7 minus 2, 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer, option E. Then question number 14. If all the prime digits are removed from the series, then which of the following will be 8th to the left of the 6th from right hand? So 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 means how much? 14th from right hand you need to find out. 14th from right hand. So 14 from right hand after all prime digits are removed. So you have to simply remove the prime digits. So all the prime digits are removed. 2, 5, 7. Now 3, then 2, then 7, then 3, then 2, then 7, then 3 are removed. So please see now. I hope you will get the 14 from right. What is 14 from right? First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I hope it is 0. It is 0. So answer is none of this. Answer is none of this. Now question number 15. How many perfect square numbers are there in the given series which are immediately preceded by an odd digit? So perfect squares preceded by an odd digit. You have here 1, 1. Then you have 3, 4. Then you have 7, 4. Then you have which one again? 1, 4. Then you have 3, 9. So how many perfect squares? How many such cases are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 such cases are there. Option D is the answer. Next, so in which of the following cases will the expression A greater than or equal to B, A greater equal to B? So 16 one, what is the answer here? A greater than B. So A greater than B here is satisfied. Option D, A greater equal to, greater equal to. So greater equal to, will take greater equal to, A greater equal to B is satisfied here. So option D is correct. Then 17th one. In which of the following K greater than M does not hold true? So here K greater than M less than K here. M less than K means here greater than M satisfied. So here K less than M. K less than M will come. K greater than M is wrong here. So answer is B. Now question number 18. Data sufficiency. There are 6 members P, Q, R, S, T, U in a family. How is T related to S? As per the first one, S is son of R. S is son of R. P and U are child of Q. P and U are child of Q. T is the grandfather. T is the grandfather of P. T is the grandfather of P means R is the mother-in-law. R is the mother-in-law of Q. R is the mother-in-law of Q means, so here S is son. So here R is the mother-in-law of Q means S and Q are married couple, and R is the mother-in-law of Q is satisfied now. So Q is a female member. S has no brother. S has no brother. Their 2 children are P and U. P and U are children of married couple S and Q. And here T is the grandfather of P. T is the grandfather of P. So by taking both 1 and 2, the total. So here how the question is, we can draw the family tree like this. Now how is T related to S? How is T related to S? So T is the father. T is the father. T's relation with S can be determined by taking both the things. So answer is option E. Both 1 and 2 need to be taken together to answer the question. Now question number 19. What is the distance between the 2 points P and Q? So here point S is 4 meter away in each direction from P. 4 meters. Point T is 2 meters north of S. 2 meter north of S. Okay. Now point Q is northwest. Point Q is northwest of T. Point Q is northwest of T. Point Q is northwest of T is given. So you cannot find out the distance between P and Q. You cannot find value of P and Q with this data. So both 1 and 2 are not sufficient. Not sufficient. What will be the code for engineer? So here, see, some smarts are wise. Some smarts are wise. Scientists are genius. Scientists are genius. So from this, what you can do? Please observe here. What will be the code for engineer? What will be the code for engineer? Some smarts are wise. Some smarts are wise. Scientists are genius. Scientists are genius. Here there is no engineer now. So here the answer is neither. Answer is both will not be sufficient. Both will not be sufficient to find the engineer because there is no engineer here. So option is D. Next, 21 to 25 is based on one more puzzle. See here, 8 persons on different floors in the same building. The building has 8 floors from 1 to 8. Okay, the ground floor is numbered 1 and 2 and so on like that. The top floor is numbered 8. So you have totally 8 floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you have to arrange the persons accordingly. Please see here, G lives on an odd numbered floor. So G can be on 7, on 5, on 3 or on 1. This is what is 4 persons live between H and K. 4 persons live between H and K. Okay. Next, only 2 persons live between G and F. F who does not live on top floor. Only 2 persons live between G and F. G and F. And F does not live on top floor. So F does not live on top floor. So I am taking, for example, F is not here. So G, if F is not here, G won't be here, right? So I can take him out from here. Next, so one possibility is G being the bottom floor. Please see here, only 2 persons live between G and F. Means I can take F here. F who does not live on top floor. Only 3 persons live above the floor on which J lives. So definitely J has to be on 50th floor. So here also G is not there, right? That's why we have taken out. Next, I lives on an odd numbered floor above the floor which G lives. So I is above G. I is above G means where I can take, I can be here, odd numbered floor, or I can be here also. Okay, odd numbered floor above the floor G lives. H lives immediately above L. H lives immediately above L, who does not live adjacent to G. So if you see here, please understand, the one possibility is I being here. I being here, and 4 persons live between H and K. 4 persons live between H and K means, so where I can take here, if I take H here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here it should be K, because it is given that H lives immediately above L, who does not live adjacent to G. L does not live adjacent to G, so L has to be here, and finally the remaining person is E. The remaining person is E here. So this is the overall arrangement. Who lives on the floor just above K? Just above K, who is there? I. So it is option E. Now question number 22. How many persons live between H and I? Between H and I, you have L, J, F. So answer is 3. Now 23. Which of the following pairs live on the first floor and the topmost floor respectively? First floor is G and top floor is E. So it is GE. Next, 24th question. Who among the following lives on the 4th floor? It is F. Next. Which of the following combinations is true? First floor K. Wrong. 6th floor L. Correct. So answer is B. Now 7 boxes are placed one above the other. So box number 1 at the bottom. So like that, box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes. 3 boxes are placed in between I and M. M placed on the place above S. So M is placed above S, which does not place an odd numbered place. S is not in the odd numbered place. P is neither placed on odd number place nor topmost place. I does not placed at bottom place. 2 boxes between R and S. Q placed neither on the bottom nor the 4th place. Box M is not placed on top place. So please observe here. It is given that M is placed on the place above S. S is not on the odd numbered place. So S is in the even numbered place. S is in the even numbered place means it can be 2, 4 or 6. I am taking S as here and M is above that. And 3 boxes are placed between I and M. So 1, 2, 3. So I has to be here. Now we have 2 boxes placed between R and S. 2 boxes placed between R and S means here we have to have R. And P is neither placed an odd numbered place nor on top. It is already P is not in the odd number. So P would be either 4 or 6. I does not place on bottom place. I is not in the bottom place. 2 boxes placed between Q is placed neither on the bottom nor on the 4th. So Q is placed in 6th and thereby P would be in the 4th and the only one that is left is L. L is here. Now which box is placed on just above M? Just above M we have P. Next. How many boxes between L and P? Between L and P you have 2 boxes M and S. 2 boxes M and S. Next, question number 28. Which of the following pair of boxes placed on bottommost and topmost? Bottom is L, top is I. So option D is correct. Next, 29. Which box is placed on the topmost place? It is I. Next, question number 30. Which of the following combinations is true? 1S wrong, 4R wrong, 3M correct. So answer is option C. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word amalgamation, each of them has many letters between them as they have according to the alphabetical order? If you see here N and O, alphabetically no letter in between them. Here also no. So now anything is G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So you can see G and N. G and N. And you can also see M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So M and T. M and T. So we have three such pairs. Which of the following words cannot be formed with the help of the letters overwhelming? So, first one can be formed. The word white cannot be formed because there is no T here. There is no T in this. So, answer is C. Now, you have coded blood relation C. Now what is given? P, this symbol Q. P, this symbol Q means P is the mother of Q. P is the mother of Q. And Q pi R. Q pi R means Q is the husband of R. Q is the husband of R. Next, R, this symbol S means R is the daughter of S. R is the daughter of S. R is the daughter of S. So what you can say now, R is the daughter of S. Next, S, Y, T means S is the brother of T. S is the brother of T. S is the brother of T. T's gender is not known here. Now, how is S related to Q? How is S related to Q here? Father-in-law. It's very easy, right? What spouse father is father-in-law, so answer is A. Then 34. Now one more relation we have, 34th one. So same things are given. A, this symbol B. A, this symbol means A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B. And B, this symbol D. BED. BED means what? B is the mother of D. Am I correct? B is the mother of D. B is the mother of D. And DYF. DYF means D is the brother. D is the brother of F. D is the brother of F. D is the brother of F. Next, F pi C. F pi C means F is the husband of C. F is the husband of C. This is what is given. And here first one is what? First one A E B. A E B means what? A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B. Am I correct? A is daughter of B. A is daughter of B. Now, is there any relation here? B and B E D. B E D means B is the mother. B is the mother. So you can say this gender is minus. Now, which of the following is true? A is the brother of F. A is the brother of F. Wrong. B is the father of F. Wrong. C is the mother of D. Wrong. So, what is correct here? D is the brother-in-law of C. D is the brother-in-law of C is correct. D is the brother-in-law of C is correct. Here, this is the thing. Okay. So, finally, you can say D is the brother-in-law of C is correct. So, option D is correct here. Now, 35th question. M is daughter-in-law of D. M is daughter-in-law of D. If you see the first one, A E D. A E D means what? A is the daughter of D. A is the daughter of D. D pi K. D pi K means D is the husband of K. D is the husband of K. So K is a wife. Next, K E Q. K E Q means what? This one, K is the mother of Q. K is the mother of Q. Thereby, K is the mother of Q. These two are siblings, A and Q. Next, Q pi M. Q pi M means what? Q is the husband of M. Q is the husband of M. Q is the husband of M means finally now M is the daughter-in-law of D. M is the daughter-in-law of D is satisfied. So answer is option A. Option A here. So like this you have 35 questions in your reasoning section which we have already completed now. So please practice these questions once again and we will again meet in our next paper analysis session. Thank you so much.